Okay, I'll just show you how to stream audio from your phone through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 Range Rover Evoque. So at the moment the phone's paired, we go to music, click on music, click on play, that's playing, it's showing there Range Rover Evoque. If I click on the bottom there, there's a tick next to Range Rover. If there's not, just tick it, we'll go back, it's playing, I'm going to turn it up. Then if we have this set properly, any sound, any audio that comes through your phone that's playing on your phone will come through the speakers in the Range Rover. So now we go to the clapper board and the music note, click on that. It's on radio, we need to go to My Music. I'll just turn that down. You will notice at the moment, next to My Music, there's no plus. So sometimes it doesn't show up. So you click My Music, now it's source and there's a plus. Click plus and then you select Bluetooth. When I turn this up now, so that's how you play music.